Howdy gamers, Choro Q time again, with Dash. We got one box, we got knocked out of the box. You've guessed it. The same day I made the first video, I just received all of the missing Choro Qs. So, you know, let's get to it. Okay, so the first one is another box. Great. Not what I expected. And another box. And then nothing. Well, we'll start with this. Keep it back clean. Money shot. Fuck. So we got two Choro Qs in this one. So, firstly, Rotary Magic. Turns oil into smoke. It's a nice little silver RX-7, but I bought before I actually found the Spirit R I wanted. But it's still a cool little one. And secondly, Supra in some packaging. I might have to take this thing out. Wait, no, it's resealable. I'm an idiot. Still the first time I've seen a Choro Q in this sort of packaging. There. Let me just adjust the lighting because it's kind of garbage. A little red Supra. I haven't found a white Supra yet. Special model. I actually don't know what that means, but it's special. Let's move to the second small box. Money shot. God damn it. Ain't working. So in this one we have a loose Choro Q and a boxed one. I don't actually remember what they are. Actually, I think I do. This guy just buys shit off eBay and he forgets about it. First of all, this cute Celica boy. What I bought because the two-tone livery is just too good. Oh, I didn't notice that little detail. Sunroof says Celica. Nice. Another special model. Only $3 for that one, so that's why I grabbed it. Because it looks cool. And it's cheap. Looks tiny next to the Supra. Even the Choro Q Supra is massive. And here's the coin. Another tenner, like the other box. Next up, more bubble wrap ASMR. And you've guessed it, a GTR. Did you know that there are 4 kinds of speeds? Because I didn't. But now I know. Oh, there's actually some literature included. We'll check that out right after. Oh, windscreen wipers. Nice. R32 Speed. Fast boy. Interestingly enough, there's like no actual taillights, but you know, there's like a tiny imprint, but it's so tiny that you don't even see it. Interesting. Alright, let's check out the literature included. Oh, there's a QR code. Nice. Well, there you have it. Not exactly sure what that means. There's a code. I don't know what you're supposed to use that for. It's probably been redeemed already. Not gonna lie. But you can get A or B. I don't know. Still. What should be a code for some ultra rare Choro Q giveaway that like wasn't redeemed and someone's just gonna claim it instead of me? I'd be kinda mad. Why am I putting it back in the box? I'm an idiot. Get back out here. You may breathe for a brief moment. There. First package. Checked it out. Checked it out. What am I saying? Alright. So how do you open this? Some very interesting tape. Almost looks like medical tape, except bigger. Knifed. Ooh, satisfying little noise. Oh yeah, that's the good shit. The box isn't even in a shot because I'm filming such tiny little cars. Yeah. Oh. Appreciation Hedgehog. Don't talk to me or my son ever again. Alright, so what do we got? A bunch of packing peanuts. Nice. Also, this, not Choro Q. I didn't buy this, by the way. It was a gift. Bunch of candy. Which is just slightly expired. This one isn't. What about this one? This one's still good. I have no idea what it actually is, but I'll research it later. And anyways, that's cool. That's all the packing peanuts. I didn't pay for those either. And now I'm gonna have to put them back in the box because, yeah, Choro Q sized peanut. You thought you could escape. Alright, that's a lot of bubble wrap. And ta-da! Spirit R. Yeah, because I bought it, it was advertised in the box. So we have to cut that JDM tape carefully. RX-7 FD time. More plastic. More cardboard. More plastic. And there she is. Look, it's even got the metallic paint. And adjust the lighting again. There. Those wheels. Number 41. Spirit R. You can go with your friends over there. I'd just like to say thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, but I'm going to record in 5 minutes because I still have 2 packages to open. So now this thing is clearly my favorite pick. Because that spirit art looks so good. So Supra. Look, having a little kiss. Mwah. I'll see you guys in the next one.